Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox my newly arrived Freddy plush with my CB plush. Also with a hand reveal. Here is my CB plush. As you can see, she looks cute. Now let's move CB aside. And let's go unbox my Freddy plush. Whoa, he's huge. He looks so cute. Let's get him escape the plastic. WOOPPPPSS. Ah, he cute. Here is him with Circus Baby.
Yeah, okay, nitrogen monoxide.